In this video, we'll go through step by step and replace the battery inside this Audi S4 key fob. This is very easy to do at home. It will just take you a few minutes, and all you'll need to get it done is a replacement battery, which is a CR2032. You'll just need one of those. If you'd like to get these online, they're pretty inexpensive. I've left a link down in the description that'll take you right over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. Now to get into this, all we want to do is flip this over to the side, and on each side there is a black button. You want to hold both of those down while pulling to remove this key. And now under there are two more buttons, one on each side. You're going to do the same thing, hold both of those down and pull, and just kind of pull and wiggle. Once you feel it starting to come out, you can just take it out like that. Right here is our battery. You can just simply lift it out of place. Grab your new 2032. Make sure that when you're putting it in there, the positive side is facing down, and you'll just click that into place like that. Now to put this back in, if you have the buttons facing up, the battery will be facing down just like this. So go ahead and slide that in, click it down into place, and now you can put the key back on there and you are finished. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come on back to this channel. We'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.